In today's video, I'll show you how to run any Denuvo game on Windows PC. All you have to do is launch the game through the desktop shortcut. Select this number 1, press in your keyboard 1 key. Now press in keyboard 1 key again and you can able to see this page after pressing the 1 key. It will start restarting and you will see this startup settings page. You need to press the 7 key in the keyboard to disable driver signature enforcement. Once you press the 7 key, it will boots up to Windows. I will show you guys after that. Once you've done the first step, launch the game through the desktop shortcut. We have successfully done the first step. Now select this number 2 and we can directly enter the game. And this is the right way to open the game. You need to follow these steps every time you start the game after you shut down your PC. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.